evening everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we've got some quite exciting things. Ordered some accessories for the Jeep off Amazon. We got the paddle shift extenders, we got the sports accelerator and brake pedal, we got the interior upgraded lights, so that's changing from those yellowish old lights to the nice LED new lights, which will also be pretty cool. I think will make the car look quite nice. I also got a new car key covers. Let's go ahead and show you what we got. So these are the new pedals, and that's this little place onto the car. Now I'll show you how to put them on. These are the paddle shift extenders, nice metal, aluminium. Look, has nice tape on it. Hold it on, it clips on quite nicely. And these are the upgraded lights. Came in a little packet. Came with this nice plastic pry tool, which is quite handy to have and keep around. And this was the key cover tungsten. So I've already put it on the key already, but if you have a look, it's like this carbon fiber cover. It comes with a little stick, well, like a rubber stick over it. Just pop that over there on the inside of that. Put the key into it. It's a lot harder now. On one hand, just like that. This goes over it. Like that, and then you basically just slip it in its place. That's it. Jeep logo showing on the back over there. All closed up. Everything works. Unlock, lock. Key works, nice and secure. Also, what I might do if I ever get bored of this, I can always just paint the actual plastic key cover instead of painting the actual key. I actually think it looks quite cool. Just slightly more sporty, also slightly more bulkier. I feel it's quite nice. Well, much nicer than what it was before. So let's go ahead and put these pedals on. I'll show you what the old ones look like. Let's try to get inside here. Hopefully you can still see. So these are the old ones. If I'm not mistaken, and I did the same thing with the Audi. I think this rubber one comes off, and this stays here. This just clips on over it like that. Okay, so now that it's on, it was a pain in the arse to get the lip over the one side and get your hand underneath to pull out the rubber to go over, especially on the one side here. There's a flap, I'm sure you can see it. There's a flap that sticks out and you can't really get your finger around it, but now that's on, I mean, it looks really cool compared to the old one. Boring that, and then that looks sexy. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one on. It's gonna suck, but let's see what we can do. Okay, so I was gonna show you that there's a lot of spraying involved, but it is now on. Both pedals are now on. I think it looks quite sporty. I'll try to get a torch on and show you what. Oh, it looks quite cool. It looks much nicer. Open the car, you get a nice sporty look. I think that looks much nicer. And eventually we'll change that light over there. Cool color. I'll show you guys that at another point. Yeah, it's much cooler. Definitely. Okay, we are here in the car now. Let's try to put on the paddle shift extenders. Here's them over here. So they're like a brushed alloy or whatever they are, aluminium. I actually sit on right there, which I think is quite cool. So let's see if we can just get one of these off. That's it. Actually much nicer when you're driving now. You just put your hand out, actually grab a set of smaller one down there. That's the squats. Yeah, that's cool. Let's do another one. Yeah, that looks cool. So you don't have those pedal shift extenders on. Don't get in the way of anything. I know on the audio was irritating. If you had you pulled your bright lights at the same time as you're wanting to change, this would actually hook onto the your bright lights. If you had them on, at least you had now, nothing's going to reach. Quite secure. It matches as much as possible. I might change the color down the line, but I think these look pretty cool for now. Cool. Let's go to attempt to change one side of these lights just for the meantime. I do it now on the light, and then I will change the rest of them off video because I think it might be a bit boring for everyone to see. But just to get these off, just put your pry tool on the side over here like that. Slide it in and just slowly pop like that, and you just basically just pull down like that. They pop off like that, and then you go all the way around, and let's try to see if you can do this side here. And just pop up like that, and just literally just folds down. You just clip in like that, and that goes over there. And then back up here we have globe, and then this spotlight thing. But the spotlight, I think I might not be able to change. I might have to take the whole thing off. I have to have a look and see from there. Okay, so to get this off was much easier, instead of, because I can't actually grab the globe without breaking them or apply it. So you just pull off this whole panel, put your hand behind, pull it down, and in front, pull it down. There are these 4 clips that all clip into place on top there. It will feel like it's breaking, but I promise you it's not. Undo the clip on both sides, get it off, and then we can replace the clip. There, so you can see there's the old one. Oops. There's the old globe, the new globe. They both have the same sort of pop out the old one. Take this little clip, put the new one into it, push it in. And that's it. Put them back in the housing, and that should be done. So we've now changed the globe. It's a pity I can't change these. These seem to be like a welded in solenoid something. I've changed it there. Let's open up the door. See, it's nice and bright white. Maybe I might just disconnect these or just leave these off, but I'm not too worried about that. But these are nice now. These are nice bright and white. Let's change the rest of them and see how that goes. Okay, so we've now replaced both of those globes. Put it back on. It's also strong back on, and you just basically, here's the white lights. I think it's much nicer, more modern. And you open the door, you can barely, as you can still see the old yellow lights, but you can barely even notice them. I think that's a big difference already. Let's go ahead and change onto the back, and let's see what else we can change. Cool. Okay, got that out, caught it, burnt a finger, but that's fine. So it's down there, cooling off. So let's see, let's put this one here in. Should literally just slide right in, there you go. That spots it like that. That's the new white light. So let's see, that's what coming back. So that's it, so the 2 front ones are done, the 2 back ones are done, nice and white. They can look much better at night time. And I will do the 2 dorsal ones down there at the bottom eventually, because they're different globes. But let me go and try to see if I can do the ones in the boot. I think I have lights for those as well. Okay, we're going to try to see if we can replace these globes as well. I'm sure we can. But I know when I took this off to turn to the back light, that this, you have to clip from the inside. So you have to pop off this panel here, put your hand inside, pull out the clip, and then it should be fine. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. The pry tool. Just get it in there to get a nice. It lifts off like that. Just give it a little pull, and you'll see it should just come right off like that. There you go. 2 little clips. 1. There you go. Come around here. Just like that. Or like that. But either way. pedal comes off, just like that. Put that down there, and pick up your other. These should just pop back in, and this is where your globes are. This whole sheet just sits on that, and that's it. Let's put that back on and see how it goes. Okay, so we changed both of those lights. Nice bright and white. Really love the new key. Close the boot. Have a look at inside lights. Bright white lights over there, bright lights over there, lights over there. Let's take a look around. Show us what we did over here. New pedals, I think look awesome. And a new pedal shift extenders, look pretty cool. You can see that she's standing right on the back. All on. Looks pretty cool. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't too exciting, but at least you guys can see the few other changes I've made to the car. Paddle shift extenders look awesome. The brake pedals look really cool. The accelerator pedal looks really cool. We changed all the interior lights to the bright white, which looks really nice. I'm going to sort out the floor lights eventually soon. I want to also get those to a nice bright white light, or possibly there's a small white light at the back of the footwell. We'll try to change that to maybe like a neon blue to match the interior lighting while you're driving. Not too strong, just a little subtle and all of that. And then yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing how everything gets done. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to ask. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the channel down below. See you guys soon.